Hello learners, you all might be familiar with addition, but in this video I'm going to teach you how to add, in various ways, okay? Starting from the basic one and let's keep going to a bit advanced ones. Advanced one in the sense like, I mean, you need to think more to add, okay? But once you'll get hang of it, trust me, you are going to do, addition at very fast speed. So let's take a number. Let me just say, 729 and 265. So the basic addition you guys are all must be familiar. So I'm going to go a bit fast here. 9 plus 5 is 14 and 1 I'm going to take it here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9 and then 7 plus 2 is 9. So 994. So remember our answer 994. Now we are going to get it in different ways. The second way is we'll start addition using the units digits. Now the same number I'm going to take 729 and 265. See, since I'm explaining, I'm going to write all the steps, but actually you need to start doing this in your mind. How this works is, see, fix one number. Let's say I'm going to fix 729, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my addition from units digit. I'll bring this 5 here, okay? I'm going to bring this 5 here and add. Now 729 plus 5 is 734. So I'm going to get 734 plus 260. Now observe how if you'll do it in mind, it will actually be easy, but it will take some practice. Now here it's 0, okay? Now I'm going to take this 60 here. Now 734 plus 60 is 794. So now this will be nothing but 794 plus 200. Now it's, very easy. 794 plus 200 is 994. See, observe it. See how we got the answer. See, you might feel, it's actually a bit lengthy, but I'm gonna, make you do this in your mind. Now, stay with me, guys. Now, let's do the same question again in our mind, okay, without writing anything. Now, 729 we have. First, just add 5. 729 plus 5, 734. Now, 734 plus 6. We need to add 6, to the center digit. 734 plus 60. It will be 794. And then 794 plus 200, 994. See? You could do it in your mind also, right? This is how you need to improve your speed. This is the trick to fast calculations. Now let's do the same question by addition, by starting from the first digit. Okay, let's see how that would be done. 729 plus 265. Okay, first I'll write it and show you, then I'm going to do it in mind. See, now 729 and here I have 200. Okay, I'm going to take I'm going to first add 200 to this. I'm going to split this as 200 plus 65. So I'm going to first add 200 here. 729 plus 200 is 929. So here I'll be left out with 929 plus 65. Okay, now next, 929 plus 65. Now I'm going to first add 65 here. So I'd get 989 plus 5. What is 989 plus 5? 994. That's it. You see, we got the same answer, but you see in a different way. See, based on the question, you need to think which method to use, okay? Either we need to start from the unit digit or from the first digit. There's also another way. That also I'll teach you. Now let's do the same thing in our mind, okay? Now 729 plus 265. This is actually easy. First add 200. 929. 929 plus 60, you'll get 989, and then 989, 5 is remaining, so you would get 994. So this is how you can do this in your mind also. That's how you're going to improve your calculation speed, okay? That's the trick. Now let's take this number. This is the most creative method, okay? This will require creativity and practice it. With practice you will get it. 729 plus 265. Now the trick behind this one is that basically you need to get as many zeros as possible in both the numbers, okay? Not in both. One number you can fix it and keep getting sufficient zeros, okay? And then that's how things will work. Now let's see. See, here I have 729, okay? I'm fixing 720, and you can fix 265 also, anything's fine. But generally I prefer fixing the bigger number because it makes things a bit easier because we're adding smaller one. So 729. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write this 265 as 264 plus 1. Okay. Now why I'm doing this, understand. Again, since I'm writing, you guys might think it's a bit slow, but this is actually the fastest method. 264 plus 1. Now 1 I'm gonna add it to here. Then I'll get 730 plus 264. Now here I have 30 and there is 64. I'm gonna split this one again as 200 plus 64. See, try to understand, figure out the logic how I'm doing. 200 plus 64. Now 730 plus 64, 794. 794 plus 200. Now this is the most easy one, and you will get 994. See, this was just one possible way. You can do this in many ways. First, let's do it in mind, and then let's see something else. So basically, how to do it in mind? See, I have 729. See, understand that I brought it to 730. That's the major concept. It's that you try to get zeros. Okay, try to get zeros. So here you have 729. I just need one. Okay, so I take that one from here. So I get 730 plus 264. Now next, here, if you'll observe here, 730 and 264, the numbers are still in my mind. You need to keep them in your mind actually. If not possible, you can just write it papers at least in steps. Don't do the entire addition because it will take a lot of time. As I told, the basic method will take time. This will take time initially, but after, with practice, you can do wonders. Okay, so 730 and 264. Now here 64, if you'll just bring it, you get 794, and then 200 is there, 994. So you see, if you do something in your mind, it improves your speed to greater levels. Now the same question, you could do it something like this also. You could fix 265. You can start with 265 plus 729. Okay, now here you see, to make it 0, I need 5 here. Okay, here's 265, I need 5, so I'm going to take 5 here, and then I'd get, okay, let's do it in mind. I'm gonna take 5 from here, so I'd get 270 plus 724. Now keep the hundreds digits as it is. Now add the last two digits of both. Now 70 plus 24, 94. 294 plus 700, 994. So you see, we were able to do it in mind. With practice, you guys will get it. Okay, so in case if you require more videos on this, please put it down in the comment section. And if you like this video, please do give a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please do subscribe to it. Thank you.